Welcome back to the next session of probability, sir. Let's go to the question. A four-digit number is formed. A four-digit number is formed by using the numbers by using the numbers 1 to 7 without repetition. Without repetition. Find the probability that the number so formed is greater than 3,400. Okay, sir. We want a four-digit number. Let us calculate first the total number of cases. When you are calculating total number of cases, means it is without restriction. Let us see four numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 numbers are available. This can be filled in 7 ways. 6 numbers are available. This can be filled in 6 ways. 4 numbers are available. This can be filled in 4 ways. 5 numbers are available. This can be filled in 5 ways. 4 numbers are available. This can be filled in 4 ways. So total number of cases 7 into 6 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, 840. Total number of cases are 840. Now let us see favorable cases. Now any 4000 series, any 5000 series, any 6000 series, any 7000 series, numbers are greater than 3,400. So let me take case 1 here. Case 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. If thousands place is occupied by 4 or 5 or 6 or 7, then this can be filled in 4 ways. Out of 7 numbers, when 1 number is used here, 6 numbers are available here. This can be filled in 6 ways. 5 numbers are available. This can be filled in 5 ways. 4 numbers are available. This can be filled in 4 ways. So this is 24 into 20, 480, sir. Now we have to go for 3000 series. Case 2. 3000 series I am calculating separately. So 3 one way. Now hundreds place. I want 400 series or more than 400 series. Then only that number is greater than 400. So this place can be occupied by 4 or 5 or 6 or 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ways I can fill up this. 2 numbers are already used. 5 numbers are available. This can be filled in 5 ways. 4 numbers are available. This can be filled in 4 ways. So 80, 560. How many favorable cases are there? 560 favorable cases are there. Probability is equal to favorable cases to total number of cases. 560 divided by 840. 56 divided by 84. 28 divided by 42. So 14 divided by 21, 2 by 3. So when you simplify this, 2 by 3. Okay, sir. Note down the question. Solution. Now next question, sir. Next, a 5-digit number can be formed a 5-digit number can be formed by using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the probability that the number so formed is greater than 23,000. Is greater than 23,000. Now, sir, 5-digit number can be formed. So let us calculate total number of cases 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of cases. So 5 numbers are available. This place can be filled in 5 ways. 4 numbers are available. This place can be filled in 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, 1 way. So all the places you have to fill up simultaneously. This is 120. 5 factorial. 5 fours are 20. 20 into 3, 60. 60 into 21. 60 into 2, 120. Now let us go for favorable cases. Case 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 series. 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 series are always greater than 23,000. So case 1, when this place is filled with 3 or 4 or 5. When this place is filled with 3 or 4 or 5. 3 ways. This can be filled in 3 ways. So one number is used here 4 ways. 4 numbers are available. After using one number here, 4 numbers are available 4 ways. 3 numbers are available 3 ways. 2 numbers are available. This can be filled in 2 ways. 1 number is available 1 way. So 3 fours are 12. 12 into 6, 72. Now case 2. Let us see 23,000. So this place can be filled in 1 way with 2. Now let us go this. Here 1 is ruled out, sir. If I have 1, it is 21,000 series. So 21,000 is not greater than 23,000. So 1 is ruled out here. 2 already used, it is without repetition. I am preparing the solution without repetition. So this can be filled with 3 or 4 or 5. 3 or 4 or 5, this can be filled in 3 ways. 2 numbers are already used. 3 numbers available 3 ways. 2 numbers are available, this can be filled in 2 ways. 1 number is available 1 way. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So favorable cases are 90. Probability is equal to 90 divided by 120. This is 3 by 4. 9 by 12 means 3 by 4. That is the probability. Note down the solution, sir. Okay, sir, next question. Next question. A 4-digit number is formed by using a 4-digit number is formed by using the digits 2, 5, 6 and 7. Find the probability that find the probability that it is divisible by 4. Find the probability that it is divisible by 4. Okay, sir. Now solution. Let us calculate the total number of cases. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 numbers are available for this place. It can be filled in 4 ways. 3 numbers are available for this place. This can be filled in 3 ways. 2 numbers are available here 2 ways. 1 number is available here 1 way. 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 2, 24. So total number of numbers are 24. Let's go for favorable cases better. Now for favorable cases there is a restriction or there is a condition. What is that condition? The number what you are forming is divisible by 4. Okay. Divisible by 4 means here the number at the tens place and units place is divisible by 4, then the 4-digit number is divisible by 4. The 4-digit number is divisible by 4. So my concentration is here at a tens place and units place here. Now sir, 2, 5, 6, 7, 52. 52 is divisible by 4. 56 is divisible by 4. 72 is divisible by 4. 76 is divisible by 4. 52 divided by 4, it will go 56 divided by 4, it will go 72, 76. So in how many ways units place and the tens place can be filled? This can be filled in 4 ways. Units place and tens place can be filled with these numbers in 4 ways. Now how many places left over, sir? 2 places are left over. 2 places are left over. Now, how many numbers are there? 2 numbers are there. So for this place, 2 numbers are available. This can be filled in 2 ways. For this, 1 number available 1 way. All these problems I am solving without repetition. So 2 into 4, 8. So favorable cases is equal to 8. Probability is equal to 8 divided by 24. 1 by 3 is the answer. 1 by 3 is the answer. Note down the solution. Okay, sir. Let's go to the next question. A 5-digit number is formed. A 5-digit number is formed by using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 without repetition. Without repetition. Find the probability that the number so formed is divisible by 4. Is divisible by 4. The number so formed is divisible by 4. This is my question. First, let us calculate total number of cases. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number I want. Now look at this, sir. How many numbers are given? 5 numbers are given. 0 cannot be placed at extreme left place. If I put 0 here at the extreme left place, this can be treated as a 4-digit number. So 0 is ruled out here. Okay. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. When 0 is ruled out here, sir, you can put any one of these 4 numbers here. So this place can be filled in 4 ways. Leaving 1 number here, I can take 3 numbers to the next place and I can put 0 here. So 4 numbers are available for this 4 ways. 3 numbers are available here 3 ways. 2 numbers are available here 2 ways. 1 number is available here 1 way. So 4 4s are 16. 16 into 6. 96. Total number of ways are 96. I have to go for favorable cases. Now, sir, 0 I have. And the number should be divisible by 4. So I am giving special treatment to 0. Look at this case 1. 0 at a units place. 0 at a units place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fix 0 at a units place. Whatever number you have at the tens place, definitely it is divisible by. This is divisible by. No, sir. Let us go favorable cases this way. Now, the number at a units place and tens place means it is a 2-digit number. If this 2-digit number is divisible by 4, if this 2-digit number is divisible by 4, then the number is divisible by 4. So let us see the case here. I'll fix 0 here, then 2 here, 0 here, 4 here, then it is 24, 32. Okay. Now look at this. When 0 is at the units place, when 0 at the units place, 2 here, 2 numbers are used. These 3 places can be filled in 3 factorial ways. So here I'll get 6 numbers. Once again here also 3 factorial numbers I'll get 6 ways. Now I don't have 0 here. Look at this. You don't have 0 at the units place as well as at the tens place. It means this place cannot be filled with 0. How many numbers do you have? 0, 1, 3. These are the 3 numbers available here. 0 is ruled out. This place can be filled in 2 ways. 2 numbers. Leaving 1 number here, I can take 1 number here. So 2 numbers available for this. This can be filled in 2 ways. 1 number available here 1 way. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Same logic I'll apply for 32 also. Same logic. This can be filled in 2 ways. This can be filled in 2 ways. This can be filled in 1 way. So 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. How many numbers are there? 20 numbers are there. Then there may be one more possibility, sir. I can put 0 here and I can put 4 here. 0 at the tens place, 4 at the units place. Again it is divisible by 4. So this place can be filled. 3 numbers are available. This can be filled in 3 ways. This can be filled in 2 ways. This can be filled in 1 way. 3 2s are 6. Is there any other case, sir, we have? 12 is also divisible 1, 2. So when I have 1, 2, 0 is ruled out. This can be filled in two ways, this can be filled in two ways, this can be filled in one way. When I don't have 0 here, come to the extreme left place, same treatment. 0 cannot be placed here, so this can be filled with two ways, 2 2s are 4. 10, 10, 10, 30. Total favorable cases are 30. Total favorable cases are 30. So probability is equal to favorable cases divided by total number of cases. 30 divided by 96. 10 divided by 32. So it will go 5 by 16. It is 5 by 16. Okay, sir. Note down the solution. It's a good question. Put a star mark on this. I am putting a star mark here. Do one more time practice. Next, sir. A number is selected. A number is selected. A number is selected at random. From the first 25 natural numbers. From the first 25 natural numbers. Natural numbers. What is the probability that it is divisible by 4 or 7? It is divisible by 4 or 7. Now 25. So my sample space is having 25 numbers. Sample space is having 25 numbers. One number can be selected. I am calculating total number of cases. One number can be selected from 25. In 25 C1 ways, this is 25. Total number of cases are calculated. Favorable cases for number divisible by 4. Number divisible by 4. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 numbers are there. Number divisible by 7, sir. Number divisible by 7. 7, 14, 21. From 1 to 25, if I select the number, it is divisible of 7 means it may be 7 or it may be 14 or it may be 21. Now no number is double counted here. So 3, add 9 cases are there. So probability is equal to 9 divided by 25. Probability is equal to 9 divided by 25. Numbers divisible by 4. Okay, sir, next question. A number is selected at random from the first 1000 natural numbers. 1000 natural numbers. What is the probability that? What is the probability that it is a multiple of 5 or 9? It is a multiple of 5 or 9. Okay, sir. So sample space is having numbers 1000. Sample space is having numbers 1 to 1000. Total number of cases, one number you are selecting 1000. Total number of cases are 1000. Now, favorable cases. Numbers divisible by 5. 5, 10, 15, etc. 1000. This sequence is in arithmetic progression with the common difference as 5. N is equal to last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. Number of terms is equal to last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. Last term is 1000 minus 5 by 5 plus 1. So this is 995 divided by 5. 199 plus 1, 200. So there are 200 numbers. There are 200 numbers which are divisible by 5. Next, numbers divisible by 9. 9, 18, 27, etc. 999. 9, 18, 27, etc. 999. So once again, n is equal to same formula 999 minus 9 divided by 9 plus 1. 990 divided by 9. 110 plus 1, 999. Okay, sir. But in this case, there are some numbers which are double counted. For example, 45. 45 is divisible by 5 as well as by 9. So, numbers which are divisible by 5 and 9, that is by 45. So 45, 90, 1000 is not divisible, sir. With 45, 2s are 90, 10, 2s are 90, 10. So 1000 minus 10, 990. 990 is the last number. 990 is the last number which is divisible by 45. N is equal to 990 minus 45 divided by 45 plus 1. So this is 990 minus 45 divided by 45. 21 plus 1, 20. So favorable cases are 200 plus a 111 minus 22. 22 numbers are double counted, sir. 200 plus a 111 minus 22. 289. So probability is equal to 289 divided by total number of cases 1000. 289 divided by 1000. This is equal to 0.289, approximated to 0.29 also. Approximated to 0.29 also. Okay. Now next question. A bag is having one red, one blue and 10 white balls. 10 white balls. 4 balls are selected at random. 4 balls are selected at random. Find the probability first question. A red ball is always included. A red ball is always included. Question number 2. A red ball is included, but a blue ball is excluded. Blue ball is excluded. A red ball, a red and blue. Balls are always excluded. Next. So these are the three parts I have. Let us see the backs. One red ball, one blue ball, and 10 white balls. Total how many balls are there? 12 balls are there. 12 balls are there. Now what is required for us? One ball is selected. Sorry, 4 balls are selected. 4 balls can be selected from 12. In 12C 4 ways. This is 12C8. 12 into 11 into 10 into 9. Numerical difference of these two numbers is 4. By 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. 4 will go here 3 times, 3 cancel, 2 will go 5 times. So this is 45 into 11. 45 into 11. 495. Total number of cases are obtained. Let's go for favorable cases. A red ball is included. So this is red and others. First, one red ball, then 11 balls. 1C1. This is 1 in 1 and 3. When a red ball is included means, what I am doing, I am keeping red as it is and other two colors are merged. So total 11 balls are there. So 3 balls you have to select from 11. 1 ball is selected from red. So this is equal to 1C1 into 11C3, 11C8, 11 into 10 into 9, by 1 into 2 into 3, 3 will go 3 times, 2 will go 5 times, 11 into 15, 165. So probability is equal to, sir, 165 divided by 495. This is 33. 495 divided by 5. 19. 11 will go 3 times, 11 will go 9 times. This is 1 by 3. Or directly 33 will go 3 times here, 1 by 3. This is answer to the first question, sir, note down. Then I'll go for the second one and third one. Okay. Let us go to the second question. Case, sir. Red, blue, white. 1 red, 1 blue, 10 white. Blue ball is excluded. A red ball is included, but a blue ball is excluded. So 1 and 3. 1C1 into 10C3, 10C7, 10 into 9 into 8 by 1 into 2 into 3, 120. Probability is equal to 120 divided by 495. 120 divided by 495. Using your calculator, you can further simplify. Let us see the third one. Here, red ball, blue ball are always excluded. This is red, this is blue, and it is others. Others, sorry, by others it is white. 10, 1, 1. Red ball is excluded, blue ball is excluded. It means 4 balls you have to select from 10. Favorable cases: 10c4, 10c6, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 by 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Cancel, it will go 3 times. 210. Probability is equal to 210 divided by 495. Okay, sir. Note down this, remaining in the next session, sir. Thank you.